Today we are going to talk about the front side turning. So the most common mistake on the front side turning is laying down too much your upper body. So you start to make pressure in the outside of the rails, so sooner or later you will fall forward to the water. The front side turning is a combo of a few situations. So first we need to look, we need to move the line of our shoulders to the same direction of our chin. We start to feel pressure on our toes, and automatically your body is going to make the board turn smoothly. When we finish the turning, we will be facing the wall of the wave. So after this is the same as surfing in front. While you're turning, if you keep turning and looking too much back, you are going to drop the wave sooner or later. So just smoothly look, change the position of your shoulders to the same of your chin, looking forward. Your board will start to turn. Keep your gravity point lower so you can manage your balance. Hug the wave so you can keep going forward in a balanced position. The front arm is your direction, your back arm is your balance. So let yourself go with the flow. In this video we can see the surfer looking to the wall of the wave, projecting the arms to the same direction, riding a wave in a front side position, going to the top of the wave, laying forwards and making pressure on the fins so we can carve, to keep riding always on the wall of the wave. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed and you learned something, please follow us to the next video.